Hi everybody, thank you for watching Dream Spree Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon. I am here in gorgeous Hot Springs, North Carolina today. I took a little road trip to see some friends. I'm going to take you through the morning session to get you ready for your day. If you like yoga videos, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I put out more material every week. And if you're ever here in Hot Springs, North Carolina, come to Spring Creek Tavern. This is not a paid advertisement. Some of my best friends on the planet own the place and it's wonderful. So let's go ahead, get in a comfortable, easy seat and close your eyes. Begin to tune into your breath and do a quick scan of the body. Just observe how it feels today without judgment. Notice the state of your emotions today. How do you feel? Observe how you feel today without any judgment at all. And if you'd like to set an intention for your practice, something to bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander, maybe something positive to bring forward into the rest of your day, now's a good time. On your next inhale, go ahead, float the eyes open, and reach out with the arms. Inhale up tall, gathering energy. Exhale, bring the arms out in cactus, drawing the shoulder blades down the back. Inhale up, exhale down. Getting a good stretch in those shoulders this morning. Inhale and exhale. Now bring them down to the sides. Reach out with the right arm. Inhale up tall, exhale over towards the left side. Just breathing into the side of the body. Inhale back up through center, bring the hand down. Inhale the left arm up and exhale over to the right side. Inhale back up through center and bring the hand down to the sides. Now let's inhale up. Tall overhead, gathering energy for your day, and then clasp the hands together, bring them down behind your head. Let's do a gentle back bend. Inhale back, opening up the heart center. Exhale forward, just coming down towards your knees. Inhale up. Exhale down. Just continue to go with your own breathing. And let's take one more round. Meet back in the center, release the arms, shake them out to the sides. Now we're going to come over into cat and cow stretch. So come over to your tabletop position. Exhale the stomach down. Inhale up. Just keep flowing. Let's take one more round. And come back to a neutral spine. Now we're going to go ahead and shift back into child's pose. Just bring the butt back towards the feet. Bring the arms out in front of you. You can bring your forehead down to the mat. Maybe bring your mind back to the intention you set for your practice or for your day. On your next inhale, we're going to walk both hands over to the left side of the mat, over towards the left corner. Getting a gentle stretch in the side of the shoulder. Bring the arms back to center and then walk them over to the right corner of the mat. And now walk the hands back to center. We're going to come back up into our tabletop position, and we're going to thread the needle. So just bring, that was a loud bird. So just bring the right arm out to the side on an inhale, and on an exhale, thread it underneath the left arm. Bring the elbow down, bring the shoulder down to the mat, and just breathe. Just gently waking up for our day. On your next inhale, come back up, unthread the needle, and bring the hand down. Now bring the left arm out to the side. Inhale, exhale, thread it underneath. Bring the right elbow down. Bring the ear down to the mat. Not only are you stretching the shoulders here, you're also getting a bit of a stretch in the low back. Just breathe. On your next inhale, rise back up, bring the hand out to the side, and bring it back down. Now we're going to come all the way down to the mat. Bring the hands over beside the shoulders. We're going to do some baby cobras, so just flow with me. Just inhale up, small arch to the back, drawing the elbows in. Exhale down, forehead back down to the mat. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now tuck your toes, press back up through tabletop, and shift back into child's pose. Take a breath here. On an inhale, come back up, coming through tabletop, shift back into your baby cobra position. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, come back into child's pose. Take an inhale here and let it go. Just continue to flow like this for a minute. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale up, baby cobra. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Pause here for a breath. Inhale. Exhale, let it go. Let's take one more round. Inhale up, coming through tabletop. Exhale down, hugging the elbows to the sides. Inhale up, baby cobra. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale back. Pause here for another breath. We're just gently waking up, getting ready for our day. And on your next inhale, you shift up in the tabletop. And we're going to come back down into a seat. Let's bring the heels out wide in front of us so that we're in a diamond shape, a little bit wider than a butterfly. Inhale up tall and exhale down. Take the elbows out to the side, head down towards the heels. Using gravity to open up that lower back. On your next inhale, rise back up. Use your hands, bring the knees in. Let's take a gentle twist here. Wrap around with the left arm. Reach behind with the right arm. Inhale up. And exhale, turn, looking behind you. Honoring yesterday. And then inhale back forward, looking into the future. Wrap the right arm around. Wrap the left arm behind you. Inhale up, exhale, easy twist. Inhale back to center. Now let's go ahead and shift over to the side. Carefully roll down to your mat. And let's just pick up our knees and hug them in towards you and just make some circles. Just go around in a clockwise position. Gentle massage of the low back. And let's change directions. Now reach up, give yourself a big hug because you did amazing, and release into Shavasana. Just let it all go. Imagine any remaining tension in your body from what may have happened yesterday or before. Imagine it melting from the top of your head, between your eyes, across your jaw, your throat, moving across your chest, shoulders, solar plexus, stomach, arms and hands, just letting that go. Tension melting away as that warm wave crawls all the way down across your pelvis, the hips, the thighs, all the way down the calves, ankles, and feet. If you'd like, you can stay in Shavasana for as long as you'd like. Otherwise, let's begin to make some small movements with the fingers and toes. Some rotations with the ankles and wrists. Stretch out long for a big stretch and roll over to one side in the fetal position. When you're ready, use your hands and press yourself back up into a comfortable seat. Bring the hands back down to the knees and float your eyes shut. Do a quick scan of the body. See how it feels differently than when you began your practice. And thank yourself for coming to the mat today, taking a little time to do something good for you. Bring your hands to heart center in prayer. Open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for taking a little time out of your day to practice yoga with me. I hope you have an amazing day today. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be peaceful. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.